Which of the following is not a cloning vector? BAC, YAC, EBR, T322 or probe? So correct option is 4. Probe. Probe is not vector. Broad palm with single palm crease is visible in person suffering from Down syndrome. So correct option is 1. Which of the following are not considered as the part of endomembrane system? Mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome. So correct option is ACE. Second will be correct option. Next, the column 1 and column 2. Tinea. Tinea is a flame cell. So A का correct option third. And paramecium is contractile vacuoles. B का second. Periplaneta. D का फेरेटिमा नेफ्रिडिया फर्स्ट. सो अभी कौन से ऑप्शन बचे? 4. तो पेरीप्लानेटा का 4. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड, सेकेंड, फोर्थ, फर्स्ट. थर्ड, सेकेंड, फोर्थ. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and reason. Assertion: amniosynthesis for sex determination is one of the strategy of reproductive and child healthcare program. नोट ये रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि एमिनोसिंथेसिस ये जो प्रोसेस है ये जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता था, बट चाइल्ड का सेक्स जानने के लिए इसका मिस यूज़ किया जाने लगा, जिसकी वजह से इसे बैन कर दिया गया. सो असर्शन इज़ रॉन्ग. रीज़न में क्या बोला है? बैन ऑन एमिनोसिंथेसिस states increasing menace of female feticides. So reason is correct. So correct option is assertion is false, but reason is true. 4 is correct option. Ligaments are dense irregular tissue. No, it is not irregular, it is a regular tissue. So statement 1 is wrong. Cartilage is dense regular, it's not a regular, it's a irregular. So statement 2 also wrong. So correct option will be statement 1 is false and statement 2 is no, both statement 1 and 2 false. So correct option is second. Match the column 1 and column 2. A. P-way. P-way represent depolarization of atria. So correct option is third. Q-way represent the beginning of systole. So correct option is 1. QRS complex is the depolarization of ventricles. 4. And T-way represent the repolarization of ventricles. So correct option is third, first, fourth. Third, first, fourth, second. Correct option is 1. Match column 1 and column 2. Peptic cell. Peptic cell is a proenzyme pepsinogen. So A का थर्ड ऑप्शन में, A का थर्ड एक ही है, यानी थर्ड. देखिए इसमें आगे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी हम आगे जाते हैं. बी. गॉबलेट सेल्स सिक्रेट म्यूकस. सो बी का फर्स्ट. ऑक्जेंटिक सेल सिक्रेट ACL एंड इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर. सो सी का 4. एंड हैप्टिक सेल सिक्रेट्स बाइल जूस. सेकेंड. So third, first, fourth, second. So correct option is third. Match column 1 and column 2. Vasectomy. Vasectomy is a surgical method. So एक और third. Coitus interruptus is a natural method. So B का 4. Cervical caps is a barrier method. So C1 is second. And Saheli, it's a pills. So it is a oral method. So D का first. So correct option is third, fourth, second and first. Correct option is second. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, vas deferens receives a duct from seminal vesicle. No, vas deferens receives a duct from epididymis. So statement 1 is incorrect. And statement 2 is the cavity of cervix is called cervical canal, which along with vagina form a birth canal. So statement 2 is correct. So correct option is 4. Correct option is 4. Assertion and reason. Assertion. Nephrons are two types, corticals and juxtamedullary, based on their relative position in cortex and medulla. सो जो कॉर्टिकल होते हैं उसकी जो लूपोफेनले होते हैं वो शॉर्ट होती है, एंड जो जक्स्टा मेडुलरी होती है उसकी जो लूपोफेनले होती है वो लार्ज होती है. सो assertion is correct. Reason. Juxtamedullary nephrons have short loop of Henle's. No. So reason is wrong. So correct option is assertion is true but reason is false. So correct option is third. Low temperature preserve the enzyme in a temporarily inactive state, whereas high temperature destroy enzymatic activity because protein are denatured by heat. So statement 1 is correct. When the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and inhibits the activity of enzyme, it is known as competitive inhibitors. So option second also correct. So first one is correct. Gene A. Gene A is a trans-acetylase. Gene Y. Gene Y is a permease. So A second, permease third, and gene I is represent the repressor protein 4, and gene Z it is a beta galactosidase. So correct option is second, third, fourth, first. Second one is correct. Match column 1 and column 2. Ringworm. Ringworm occurs due to trichophyton. So correct option is second. Filariasis. Filariasis is a causes factor is Wisteria bankrupti. Third. Malaria. Plasmodium vivax. 4. Pneumonia. Haemophilus influenza. First. Second, third, fourth, first. Second, third, fourth, first. First one is correct. Which of the following function is carried out by cytoskeleton in a cell? First, nuclear division. Second, protein synthesis. Third, motility. And fourth, transportation. So correct option is third, motility. Which of the following statement is correct? First, eutrophication refers to increase in domestic sewage and wastewater in lakes. No. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of toxicant at successive trophic levels. So correct option is second. Presence of large amount of nutrient in water restrict algal bloom. No. It accelerate to growth of algal bloom. Algal bloom decreases fish mortality, no, increases. So correct option is second. Radial symmetry is not found in adult of phylum Ctenopora, Hemichordata, Coelenterata and Echinodermata. So correct option is Hemichordata. Match the column 1 and column 2. हीरोइन ये बॉडी फंक्शन को स्लो डाउन करता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज स्लो डाउन बॉडी फंक्शन. सेकेंड, मैरिजुआना ये कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम पे इफेक्ट करता है. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा फर्स्ट, इफेक्ट ऑन कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम. कोकेन इंटरफेयर्स विथ ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ डोपामिन. सो करेक्ट. फोर, एंड मॉर्फिन it is act as a painkiller. So correct option is second, first, 4 and third. So correct option is first. Given below two statements. Statement 1, in prokaryotes the positively charged DNA is held with some negatively charged protein in region called nucleoid. No, DNA is a negatively charged. So statement 1 is incorrect. In second, in eukaryotes the negatively charged DNA, right, is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form nucleosome. So statement 2 is correct. So option will be 4 is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive system? Cycle. A. Non-primate mammals cyclical changes during reproduction are called estrous cycle. Correct. First menstrual cycle begins at puberty and is called menarche, not menopause. Menopause is the cease of menstrual cycle. So correct. B is incorrect. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Correct. Cyclic menstruation extends between menarche and menopause. Correct. So correct option is A, C, D. 4 1 is correct. Select the correct group of Australian marsupials exhibiting adaptive radiation. First, Tasmanian wolf, bobcat, marsupial mole, no. Numbat, spotted cuss, flying palanger. So correct option is second, Numbat. Tasmanian wolf is not under Australian marsupials. So correct option is second. Which one of the following techniques does not serve the purpose of early diagnosis of a disease for its early treatment? First, recombinant DNA technology, serum and urine analysis. So correct option is second, serum and urine analysis. Recombinant DNA technology, polymerase chain reaction and enzyme linked immunosorbent assay technique are used for early diagnosis of a disease. So correct option is second. Match the column 1 and column 2. Cartilaginous joints are found in between adjacent vertebrae in vertebral columns. So correct option is second. Ball and socket joint are found in between humerus and pectoral girder. So fourth option is correct. Fibrous joint are found in suture, which are found in between flat skull bone. First, saddle joint are found in between carpal and metacarpal of thumb. Third, second for first and third. So correct option is second. Match the column 1 and column 2. A leopard and a lion in a forest. They live in a forest by compete to each other. So correct option is A, competition. First one is A1. A cuckoo laying egg in a crow's nest. This is known as brood parasitism. And fungi and root of higher plant in mycorrhiza live in symbiosis or mutualism. So third option. A cattle aggregate and cattle in a field live in communalism, जिसमें एक को फ़ायदा होता है और दूसरे को कुछ भी नहीं, ना फ़ायदा ना नुकसान. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ. वाह, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ, फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. Vital capacity of lung is IRB 4. Option is 4. IRB plus ERB plus TB, tidal volume. So correct option is 4. Match the column 1 and column 2. Phobia. Phobia is the reason where cones are present abundantly. So option will be point where optic point of greatest visual acuity or resolution. So correct option is third. Iris. Iris is the visible colored portion of eye that regulates diameter of pupil. So first one is option correct. Blind spot, where the point where optic nerve lives and eyeball and photoreceptor cells are absent. So correct option 4. Sclera. Sclera is the external layer of eye formed of dense connective tissue. So second. So correct option is third, first, 4 and second. Correct option is once the undigested and unabsorbed food or substance enter the cecum, their backflow is prevented by sphincter of body, no, ileocecal wall. So correct option is ileocecal wall. Once the undigested and unabsorbed food or substance enter the cecum, their backflow is prevented by sphincter of body, no, ileocecal wall. So correct option is second, ileocecal wall. Which one of the following common sexually transmitted disease is completely curable when detected early and treated properly? Genital herpes, hepatitis B and HIV infection are incurable. So correct option is gonorrhea. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, a protein is imagined as a line. The left end represented by last amino acid and right end represented by first amino acid. So statement 1 is incorrect. Adult human hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, right? 2 alpha and 2 beta, right? So statement 2 is correct. So option will be 4. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in thermal power plants. Correct. Electrostatic precipitator in thermal power plant removes ionizing radiation. No, dust particle. It removes dust particles. So statement 2 is wrong. So third option is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. In which blood corpuscle the HIV undergoes replication and produces progeny viruses? तो हेल्पर टी सेल हेल्प करता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 1. Assertion and reason. Assertion: endometrium is necessary for implantation of blastocysts. Correct. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates that causes disintegration of endometrium. Correct. बट रीज़न है जो एसोसिएशन को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है. एसोसिएशन में पूछा क्या है कि एंडोमेट्रियम इम्प्लांटेशन के लिए नेसेसरी होता है, तो उसको यहाँ एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है, लेकिन दोनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? बोथ ए एसोसिएशन एंड रीजन इज ट्रू बट रीजन इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सेकेंड. Statement 1. RNA mutates at faster rate. Correct. Statement 2. Viruses having RNA genome, right, and shorter lifespan mutate, right, and evolve faster. Correct. Statement 2 also correct. So correct option will be 1. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are true. Match column 1 and column 2. CCK means cholecystokinin, secretes from pancreas. Act on pancreas. GIP, gastric gland. NF, heart. And ADH on kidney. So correct option is 4, 3rd, 2nd, 4, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. 4, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Correct option is 1. Which one of the following symbols represents mating between relatives? 4 relatives use double line. So in human pedigree analysis, so double line second one is correct. Unique mammalian characteristics are hair, tympanic membrane and mammary gland. So ये tympanic gland जो है, membrane जो है वो एम्फीबिया में भी होता है, सो ये तो नहीं होगा. हेयर, पिन्ना एंड मेमोरी ग्लैंड. सो ऑप्शन सेकेंड इज करेक्ट. Which of the following statements are correct? Basophil are most abundant cells of the total WBC. No. Neutrophils are most abundant cells. Basophils secrete histamine and serotonin and heparin. Correct. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response. C is correct. Basophils have kidney-shaped nucleus. No, it is not kidney-shaped nucleus. It is bilobed like this. And basophils are granulocyte. No, it is a granulocytes. So correct option is B and C. Select the correct statement with reference to chordata. Presence of mid-dorsal solid hollow and double nerve cord. So A1 incorrect. Presence of closed circulatory system. Correct. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. Correct. Presence of dorsal heart, not dorsal. Presence of ventral heart. So D also correct. Incorrect. Triploblastic pseudocoelomate animals. No. It is a coelomate, not pseudocoelomate. So correct option is B and C. Second one is correct option. Which one of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormone? First, maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. Correct. Regulation of basal metabolic rate, BMR. Correct. Normal rhythm of sleep wake cycle. No. Development of human system no support the process of RBC's formation. Correct. Erythropoiesis. So correct option is A, B, E. Sorry, incorrect निकालना है, not under the correct. So C and D are not correct. So option will be C. Third is correct. In cockroach, excretion is brought about by phallic gland, uricose gland, nephrocyte, fat body, and collaterally glands. So correct option is uricose gland, nephrocytes, and fat body. B, C, D. So correct option is third. The parts of human brain that helps in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. are limbic system and hypothalamus. Correct. Option 1 is correct. Matched column 1 and column 2. Master cell. Master cell is a areolar connective tissue. To second, inner surface of bronchioles is a ciliated epithelium. First, blood is a specialized connective tissue. Antibular part of nephron is a cuboidal epithelium. So correct option is second, first, fourth, and third. Correct option is third. Logistic growth. Limited source availability condition. Second, exponential growth, unlimited resource availability condition. First, expanding age pyramid. The percentage individual of pre-reproductive age is largest, followed by reproductive and post-reproductive age group. So third, and stable age pyramid, the percent individuals of premature productive and reproductive age groups are same. So for second, first, third, fourth. Correct option is first. Which of the following statements are correct? An excessive loss of body fluid from the body switches off osmoreceptors. No. Antidiuretic hormone facilitates water reabsorption to prevent diuresis. Correct. NF causes vasodilation. Correct. ADS causes increase in blood vessels pressures. Correct. B, C, D. Correct. And ADS is responsible for increase in GFR. So E is incorrect. So correct option is B, C, D. Second is correct. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, during G0 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. No, it is a metabolically active, but it is suspended. So statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2, the centromere undergoes duplication during S phase of interphase. Correct. So correct option is 4. 1 is correct option. Select the correct statement. Tetrad formation is seen during lactotin. No. During anaphase, the centromere splits and chromatid separates. Correct. Terminalization takes place during pachitin. No. Nucleolus, Golgi complex, and ER are reformed during telophase. Right. Crossing over taking place between sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. No. So correct option is B and D. Second one is correct. Which one of the following is not the advantage of inbreeding? It decreases homozygosity. No. Statement first is wrong because it increases homozygosity. So correct option is First, which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? First, decreases homozygosity. It exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. Elimination of less desirable genes and accumulation of superior genes takes place due to it. And 4, it decreases the productivity of inbreeding. It decreases the productivity of inbred pollution after continuous breathing. So this one is not advantage of inbreeding. So correct option is 4. Which of the following is characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? So presence of anal styles, it is a sexual dimorphism. So correct option is second. Which one of the following is the sequence on corresponding coding strand if the sequence on mRNA form is followed? ये जो कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड है ये mRNA के इक्वल रहे, बस यूरासिल की जगह थाइमिन होगा. सो 5 to 3 डायरेक्शन में ये भी रहेगा. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 5 to 3 डायरेक्शन एंड यूरासिल की जगह थाइमिन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड. Which one of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? A. Muscle bundles are held together by a collagenous connective tissue layer called fascicles. Correct. Sacroplasmic reticulum of muscle fibers is a storehouse of calcium. Is correct. Striated appearance of skeletal muscle fiber is due to distribution pattern of actin and myosin protein. Correct. M-line is considered as no, not M-line. So correct option is 1, ABC.